How to successfully grow houseplant cuttings indoors to get more of them. To successfully grow our cuttings, we just need cutting soil, semi-cutting soil, biodegradable pots. It could simply be recycled plastic pots, and we'll stick with recycling using clear plastic packaging. One is not drilled, and others will be drilled. We'll use it as a water reservoir. First, we're going to fill our pots with our semi-cutting soil and cutting. It's the same soil without compacting it. So we're going to make 2 cuttings in the same container. Now, we've set up our soil. We're going to take a cutting from the chlorophytum. You just need to detach it and cut it. We're going to remove the few leaves at the base, since you should never bury the leaves. Once we've removed those leaves, I plant my chlorophytum in the middle of the pot. I gently pack the soil around it to hold it in place. There we go, our cutting is now planted. We're also going to make a cutting of syngonium. So the syngonium is a very resilient plant that has the unique feature of producing aerial roots, a bit like philodendrons. So, still with my pair of scissors, I carefully detach a tip cutting with its roots. I slightly trim the ends of the roots. I'm making a pilot hole. In my soil, I plant the syngonium. And our cutting is done. All that's left is to add some water inside, about a glass of water. The water, through sub-irrigation, will rise and moisten the biodegradable pot, so there will be some humidity inside. And I always cover it with a wrapping system for my cultivation to create a humid environment. 2 cuttings that have been done in a humid environment, the rooting will happen very, very quickly. It needs to be well rooted, that the plants will start to grow. We remove the cap and we can plant or transplant our cuttings into another pot. Another technique, still using recycled packaging, is to use a persimmon packaging. So our packaging is pierced at the bottom. I'm putting soil inside, but not all the way to the top, just halfway. So always my potting soil. Semi-cutting without packing it down, not necessary. And now we're going to practice our cutting of the wandering Jew, the Tradescantia. So, with a pair of scissors, I'm going to detach the cutting. I'm cutting the 2 top leaves. And I plant my cutting about 1 centimeter deep and no more. And we can continue the cutting in the same way. So here, we had already taken a tip cutting from the end of the stem. Now, I'm detaching the bottom leaf. I carefully cut my leaf in half and precisely. I plant my wandering Jew right next to it. And we continue like this, covering the entire area of my mini greenhouse with recycled materials. We spray some water on the foliage, slightly moistening it. The semi-potting soil, the cuttings, I close my box. And we have a steamed culture. Whether it's with biodegradable pots or this recycled system, you always need to place your cuttings at a minimum of 20 degrees and in good light.